How to install large diameter CoolFit PE Plus with electrofusion technology, d250 to d450. CoolFit PE Plus is the revolutionary pre-insulated piping system for commercial and industrial secondary refrigeration from GF Piping Systems. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the installation process. CoolFit PE Plus pipes, fittings, and valves can be connected easily and in a few minutes by electrofusion. Before the installation, make sure you have all the necessary equipment, tools, and resources close at hand. Push both shrink sleeves onto the pipe ends. Remove the electrofusion coupler from the packaging and clean the inner surface using 90% or greater isopropyl alcohol and a clean, lint-free plain cloth. Both pipe ends must also be cleaned. Wait until the cleaner has completely evaporated. Join both pipe ends with the coupler completely up to the stop. Attach the GF fixation tool as the jointing needs to be tension-free during fusion and cooling time. Use the long fusion adapters to connect the electrofusion coupler with the fusion machine. Connect these to the welding cables and switch on the power to the fusion machine. Use the scanner to read the barcode to input the welding parameters. Press the green button on the welding machine or scan the Start-Stop card and follow the fusion steps as shown on the screen. The materials must remain clamped during the fusion and cooling process. After the cool time has elapsed, remove the fixation tool. After a successful pressure test, clean the jacket area between the pipe and fitting using 90% or greater isopropyl alcohol and a clean, lint-free plain cloth. Wait until the cleaner has completely evaporated. Mount the CoolFit PE Plus sealing tape over the joint without offset. Overlap the tape and cut it, then fold back the liner. Push the shrink sleeves onto the sealing tape and ensure these are firmly adhered. Remove the liner. Shrink the sleeves over the joint using a roofer's torch. Make sure that there is a red-orange flame and that you move the torch evenly. Check whether the sleeve has shrank completely around the joint. The installation is now complete. GF Piping System supports you in all phases of your project. Talk to our experts at any time if needed. Further information can be found at gfps.com.